Look, I'm with the original best teacher in the whole world.
Best teacher in the whole world?
Yeah, look at you.
Number one, I'm not the best teacher in the world. However, if I wanted a driving lesson, I swear to God, Ahmad, I swear on my mother life, I would choose you.
Oh, look
you're
at
ugly, you're ugly, but your lesson is fun.
You just want my hair, look. You just want my hair, look.
You know, I lost my hair, but I don't mind. It doesn't bother me, Ahmad.
No,
I swear to God.
Mine's going anyway.
It doesn't bother me.
Mine's going already.
Yeah, but you have beard. I had to have a beard as well.
You can grow your beard. Can't grow your hair though.
Some thinking I'm handsome, but you're destroying the movie. Don't worry about the seatbelt. You're crazy. Don't put seatbelt on. Don't
look at
that.
See, proper instructor. Yeah.
Do they said.
Yeah.
Do what I say. Don't do what I do.
Exactly. Yeah.
What are you doing in Watford
Don't
anyway?
do anything what he says, and don't do anything what he does either.
You're gonna put this in social media.
Yeah.
And this. I almost said it. They're gonna laugh at you.
They're gonna laugh at both of us. They're like, we're not coming to any of these two.
No.
We're gonna see him drive now, professional driving instructor.
If I could reverse the time back,
look at that.
I wouldn't be a driving instructor. I would open a car wash. I swear to God.
Yeah?
Yeah, I would open a car wash.
Why? Because you need your car washed today.
No.
That's the only reason,
because you earn more. You earn more, and you don't need to keep teaching them and all these things. You know, the goal is good. You get them through to the driving test, innit?
In it. Do you know what I mean?
Don't put this in YouTube. Don't put it in YouTube.
Hey, look at your friends. Look. Hands on the correct position. Look at that. Look at this driving.
And this is what we
got to do with
that.
Look at the parking. Look, it's just like that on the cab. How's things? Good?
How much is this camera?
So this.
Give a little bit of driving lesson.
There we go. Now, all right, we're going to be in a driving lesson in a second with a professional driving instructor, aka Bobby Jean. Bobby. I'll show you. If you guys ever want to contact him, I'll show you his little board. Yeah, shall I put it on? Do you want to contact?
I think the sound of the motor is going to affect.
No, they'll see your sign. I'll put your sign on. You'll be promoted. Look, you'll be a star. Look, there we go. Look. All right. So
just to remind you that the number on the top doesn't work. I swear to God.
No, seriously.
No, it doesn't work.
That was pointless, isn't it?
It doesn't work. Do you know why?
Yeah, go on.
Because I don't want the people from the street. I don't want them.
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. I do that as well, yeah.
Let's do the little
You
lesson.
want recommendations. All right, so when you're ready, I'd like you to drive on.
I do exactly the same as the test.
Yes. You can smile, yeah?
Shall I do it with this
with the smile, with the
commentary?
Commentary. People are gonna love that with the commentary.
Okay. The first thing you do.
Yeah.
This is how they're catching you up.
Go on.
They're catching you out like this. They say, stop on the left, drive again. Stop on the left, drive again. This is the first trick.
Yeah.
Which they want you to pull in front of someone, and they want you to forget.
Okay. See it there.
Very good. They want you to forget your right hand and left hand shoulders. So that's two things so important. Don't pull in front of someone. Don't forget your left and right shoulder, and don't forget front, because sometimes the road is narrow. Park car on the left, park on the right. Cars coming towards you. If you pull the car in front, brake, then book another test. So,
by the way, if you guys need English translations, I'll put them on the joke.
You put into gear. Shut up. Gear one. And this is how you should do it. Gear one, drop the handbrake if it's not uphill. Look behind. Do not signal. Don't signal. Look very well behind and forward. Target the car that you want to go after. Aim the car. You're laughing, that is true.
Go on.
Aim the car is coming, the car that you want to pull after. Check left hand shoulder, right hand shoulder, the way that the car you want to go after is here. So the timing is very important. Look left, right, he passed, signal and pull.
Perfect.
Don't do this. And then accelerate.
You said you were going to do it like a prophet learner. See what happens.
Yeah. Do what I said, don't do what I do.
Exactly.
I love you.
YouTube's going to love you.
Look at this one.
Look at the situation here.
Now we are turning right on the bend. It's a road opposite us. It looks like a straight ahead, but please consider it as right. Or they may say, now, Bobby, take the second road on the right, please. Is on the bend. It looks like a straight ahead, but consider it as right. So on the bend, we're turning right, but it is a right turn. Stop, look over there, and then gas and go.
There we go. Perfect.
I have to give you a lesson, you know what I mean?
Look at that, stopping for the light as well.
Handbrake up. Neutral, get your foot up, but don't get your hands off. Engine running, hold the steering wheel.
You see, I never tell my students to go into neutral when they are the first in line, you know that? You know why? Well, you have more experienced drivers as well, but then they just sort of panic when it goes green.
You have to time the,
Yeah,
the light, Ahmad John. Calculated more or less, it takes 45 seconds. After 25 seconds, clutch and brake into first, drop the handbrake. Before you go, 3 mirror checks, and then shoot off.
Shoot off, yeah? Bonagam shot.
That's swear word, you shouldn't say that. Crazy man.
That's not a swear word, that's fine.
I'll drop you here.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I'll kick you out of my car.
You're gonna go now. And this is the test
and
center.
I love you so much.
There
That's
you
a
go,
Watford driving test center.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna park.
Oh, where are you gonna go?
Hang on a minute, hang on a minute, hang on a minute. Ahmad, you're gonna walk a little bit to lose weight.
Thank you, I need to, yeah. Watch the curve. Oh, wow.
Do you
look at
like
that.
it?
Oh, we go. Look, proper driving. Oh my god, what are you doing to your car? There
Where's
we
my
go.
client?
Say bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. I love you. Good luck.
Good luck. See
Good
ya.
luck. Good luck. Good luck. Don't post these things on Ahmad.
Stop recording.
We are mad. I'm gonna call him to come over.